Hey there, savvy investors. If you're looking to maximize your returns and minimize your taxes, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down how to enable tax loss harvesting in Wealthfront, a powerful automated investing platform. Tax loss harvesting is a smart strategy that lets you sell investments that have decreased in value to offset gains from other assets, potentially reducing your taxable income. It's like turning your losses into wins for tax season. First off, why should you care? In a volatile market, tax loss harvesting can save you money. For example, if you have stocks that are down, selling them could lower your overall tax bill. Wealthfront makes this easy with its automated tools, so you don't have to be a financial wizard to use it. Let's get into the steps. Start by logging into your Wealthfront account. If you don't have one yet, sign up. It's straightforward and free for basic features. Once you're in, head over to the Account or Settings section. Look for the Tax Settings or Investment Options tab. That's where the magic happens. Next, find the option for tax loss harvesting. It might be under Advanced Features or Portfolio Management. Simply toggle it on. Wealthfront will ask you to confirm, so read through the details to understand any potential impacts. Make sure your account is set up for automated investing, as this feature works best with their robo-advisor tools. After enabling it, Wealthfront's algorithm will monitor your portfolio and execute trades when opportunities arise, all while adhering to IRS rules to avoid wash sales. Remember, this isn't a guarantee, and you should consult a tax professional for your specific situation. By enabling tax loss harvesting, you're taking a proactive step toward smarter investing. Give it a try and watch how it can optimize your finances. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below with your questions. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.